Okay, so here we go. Going from our house to the beach. Ooh. Not as steady as I like. There's some people. Alright, so here we go. Those are the bathrooms.
They've been pretty gross.
They have been gross this week. So here we are. And looking this way is the way out of the beach. And then you come back this way. And right into the headlights of a car. Come down. You can probably start to see the beach. So, up to last year, you used to be able to see the store. So there'd be a little beach store where they'd have candy and basic stuff like that. Snack bar, a bathroom up there, and there were a couple of shower spots. So, you used to be able to have that store there. But the store isn't there anymore. The ocean was encroaching too much. So they moved it. So now it's open there. And they're redoing it. Hopefully it will be open next year. You know. And then, where the store used to be, they put benches. So, here we are, eve before the 4th of July. And in pretty much 2 minutes time, we've gone from where our beach house is, right to the Atlantic Ocean. Here, and there you go, right at the beach.